Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can set up an Apple Pay on your iPhone. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to open up your settings application, and once you open up your settings application, you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and then right in between you'll have an option as Apple Wallet and Pay. You need to click on it. As you click on it, the page expands, and on this page you need to toggle the switch that is right on top, Apple Cash, and after that you need to tap on add card, which is right in between. Next you'll be directed to a page where you need to add your debit card or your credit card information. So for that you need to click on debit card or credit card, which is right in between, and once you do that, next interface there's a terms and condition, so make sure to go through it, and in order to proceed on you need to click on continue. Now you need to scan the QR code, so for that turn on your camera, and after that what you need to do is you need to click on enter card detail manually, and next page you need to enter the card detail and then tap on next in the top right. Make sure to go through all of these following statements and then tap on agree in the bottom right corner. Once you're done entering all of the card information, next page you need to double check all of the information provided, and after that you need to verify it, so for that tap on next in the top right. So in order to verify, you'll be receiving a verification code, and once you receive your verification code you need to enter it right here, and then you need to tap on next. So finally you need to tap on use as default card, and once you do that you'll be back to the same page, that is settings page, and you also need to toggle the switch for double click side button, and once you do that you have completed the process, and that is how you can set Apple Pay on your iPhone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.